Alright, I have some buildup of trash, so I definitely have to get rid of this. Yay, trash can. More trash. Get in there. Go. One more bag. Goodbye, trash. Alright. I have to let Moo Moo out. You need to go out, honey? You do. And then do a little bit of grocery shopping. And wash a dish or two. Bathroom, honey? She's like, yes. Alright, well, I'll let you out. Go. You're free. Run. Run. Good girl. Go pee-pee. Alright. Moo Moo's using the restroom. I definitely have to clean up. Change clothes. Brush my ridiculously messy hair. So yeah, I'm gonna do that real quick and I'll see y'all in a minute. You're wondering what this is, of course being on the road, I need to conserve water, so I only take showers every once in a while, and mostly I do my vinegar bath, which I've done in a video before. It's just apple cider vinegar, organic, in a spray bottle, and I mist down with it and then wipe off with a wet rag, and that keeps all the bacteria that causes odors away and keeps you fresh. And of course some deodorant and some body spray and you're good. And also another helpful hint, if you have pets, that works for pets too. I always get people that ask why Moo Moo doesn't smell. It's because I use vinegar on her between her baths. That way it keeps the odor down. But anyways, now that I've got my morning ritual down, I need to figure out what I'm gonna do today. So when I do that, I'll see y'all. Well, duh, didn't I say I needed to pick up some supplies? Let's go do that. Alright, Mama has to go inside. Here's your chew toy. Good girl. Water, check. Food, check. Personal fan, check. Chew toy, check. You good to go. Wallet, check. Camera, check. Door locked, check. Moo Moo chewing on her chew toy, check. Biodegradables on, check. Groceries and stuff to put up, so while I'm doing that, here's Moo Moo sunbathing. Enjoy! Alright, I'm going to separate these into their own separate bags, and I already have the marinade in there, and I'm just going to put them in the refrigerator. That way I can just pull them out whenever I want to and cook them up. And all done. I knew I was forgetting something to eat breakfast. I better do that. Alright. Got raisins. Awesome. Some bananas. And can't forget the yogurt covered cranberries. I didn't realize how hungry I was. Wow, the yogurt covered cranberries in this is awesome. All done. Alright, so I had complications with my old shade here. The spring inside broke, so I bought a new one. And it was only $28 and they cut it for me at Home Depot. Awesome. I'm going to install it now. Well, that was really easy. I used the existing hardware so I didn't have to put up new brackets, and yep. It's a little thinner than what I'm used to, or my other ones, but hey, it works. So, yep. Good enough for me. Attack of the crazy bird. Lord, get it, Moo, get it! Don't let the bird get you. Get the bird, get the bird! What is all that, huh? Are you scared of a bird? Don't let that bird get you. He's a psycho bird. Really? Are you scared of the bird? Huh? It was almost as big as you. Well, that's funny. It was Attack of the Birds. I guess the bird was feeling a bit territorial and didn't like the fact that Moo Moo was peeing in her area. Oh well, what can you do? Attack! Going to Best Buy. They have an IKEA here. I've never been to IKEA, so I'll probably go and see what they have. Oh wow, look at that huge boat over there. I don't know if you can see it or not. There it goes. Alright, well, my experience about going to IKEA is definitely interesting, although I will say I did feel like a mouse in a maze that was never ending. It just went on and on and on and on. But they had a lot of interesting stuff, and I did enjoy shopping there and seeing all the merchandise. They really did have a lot of neat stuff. So, all in all, it was a great experience. I will say that they had a lot of great ideas for storage solutions in small spaces, so that's definitely a plus. To be honest with you, there was just a lot of stuff there. It was kind of overwhelming a little bit, but a lot of great stuff. And it's getting late, so I need to go ahead and find where I'm going to stay tonight. I didn't want to stay at this place that a local suggested because it was right under a freeway. It's 95, so I'm thinking it's going to be loud. But Someone suggested it, so I'm gonna go take a look and see. You know, you never know, it might be a good place. So we're just gonna go look and see what it's all about. If I don't like it, then I can just go back to my usual place. Alright, let's get going.
Head southwest, then turn right.
It's actually not that far from here. It's only 6 minutes from here. So we should be there shortly. Actually, right here looks like a spot. It's kind of scary here though, so I'll just keep on going. But yeah, I see a bunch of trucks here, so. Alright, well, there it is, free parking. I don't know if I really want to park here though. Blah 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 blah. Huh. How the heck do you get in here? No.
Turn left on the South Front Street, then make a U-turn at Vernon Street.
Alright, that's not gonna work for me. Alright, there's another RV right there. It's cool, I guess. Alright, well that's not gonna work for me, so I'm just probably going to head back to my old spot. Here's Target right here. I'm just gonna pull in here real quick to get my bearings. Well, it was worth a try, but it just seems like it's mainly made for cars, not RVs. So alright, well that was a bit nerve-wracking going through those kind of tight streets, but I did it and everything turned out okay. I'm just probably gonna head back to the location I was at because that was just not gonna work for me. The place he suggested was actually, the entrance was way too tight for Panda. I think it's just meant for cars, so I wasn't gonna risk it. I did see an RV parked on the side of the road, which was cool, but I didn't see any other parking on the side of the road, so yeah, so much for that. Alright.
Left onto Mifflin Street.
Alright, I got my bearings now, so back to Home Depot I go. Alright, well, we're back at Lowe's, and this is probably where we're going to boondock tonight. I'm going to get up early tomorrow so we can go see the Liberty Bell. Awesome. So I guess we'll see you tomorrow. Bye for now.